Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is and thank you guys for clicking on this link. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade suya easy and make it juicy and just like that malam down the street. So this video is going to be helping my peeps abroad who are no longer in Nigeria and for people who are quarantining right now in Nigeria. So yeah, it's going to be helping you guys make suya, the juiciest suya ever. So I'm rambling at this point, so I'm just gonna get into the video and show you guys the recipe. Hope you guys try it and let me know what you guys add extra to your own suya recipe. And try it and let me know if the recipe worked out for you. And yeah, let's see. Let's get into the video and I'll show you guys the recipe on how I make my homemade suya. Alright. Okay, so how was the recipe? Did you guys like it? Are you guys gonna try it? Comment in the comment section below to let me know if you guys liked it and if you guys are gonna try it. Ask me any questions and I'll definitely comment back or reply your comments to help you guys out in this recipe. Alright, make sure to check out all my other recipe videos and also all my other videos. I am about life hacks and vlogs, so make sure to stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Goodbye.